Well, I bought another one. Welcome to Cathy's Eclectic Garden. I'm Cathy and I garden in Zone 6A in Northwest Ohio, and today we're going to review my latest purchase. This is an unsponsored review. I am not affiliated with the company where it was purchased or the company who produced it, and I am not receiving any compensation for doing this review. I already have 3 fountains in my gardens, but that wasn't enough. I needed a specific fountain just for my hummingbirds. So I purchased this beautiful blue ceramic urn. This is an LED lighted urn fountain. It's by Style Selections, and I purchased it at Lowe's, or local Lowe's. You can also find it at Lowes.com. And as far as I know, they are the only location that carried this specific urn. This fountain comes complete with the pump and the LED light, and the LED light is replaceable. The instructions show filling it from the front like this. You can also fill it with a garden hose, but it's just easier to fill it with a water bucket, I think. There is an access opening in the back of the fountain. This allows for easy installation of the pump. There's a pre-installed tubing inside the urn that just hooks into the pump, and you just set the pump in. It's got suction cups to hold it to the bottom of the fountain and plug it in, and you're ready to go. One potential flaw that I found with this fountain is that there is no cover for that opening in the back. Potentially insects or leaves or a bird could even fly inside it and be trapped and drown. So we are going to take some duct tape and put a couple of strips of duct tape over that opening to help alleviate that condition. One more thing before we go. You may have seen the video where we installed this fountain and there was nothing around it. Now we have Culver's root, we have wild senna, we have black-eyed Susans, I see some purple coneflower here, and it's just all lush and green all around. It makes a really nice outdoor setting. It's a robin. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one.